Welcome to our channel UK Cars in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Aygo X, the compact crossover built for city driving. With a bold design, efficient performance, and advanced tech, it's the perfect urban companion. Let's dive into its key features. Exterior. The 2025 Aygo X stands out with its rugged yet stylish design. It features a raised stance, muscular wheel arches, and sharp LED headlights. The two-tone paint adds a sporty touch, while the large 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels enhance its crossover appeal. Compact yet confident, it's designed to turn heads on city streets. Performance. Under the hood, the 1.0L three-cylinder petrol engine delivers a balance of power and efficiency, producing 72 horsepower. Available with a manual or automatic transmission, it offers smooth handling and a fuel economy of around 58 mpg UK. The light chassis and compact size make parking and maneuvering effortless. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin. The high seating position gives great visibility, while soft touch materials add comfort. The 9-inch infotainment touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless charging and premium JBL sound elevate the experience, making every drive enjoyable. Safety features. Toyota prioritizes safety with Toyota Safety Sense. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. The reinforced body structure enhances crash protection, ensuring a secure ride. Prices. The 2025 Toyota Aygo X starts at around £16,500, with higher trims and added features pushing the price to £20,000. It remains an affordable yet stylish choice for city dwellers. Outro. That's the 2025 Toyota Aygo X, a bold, efficient, and tech-packed urban crossover. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.